You might be looking to build a custom CRM app for your business, but you're not sure of how to go about it or what would be the features involved or what would be involved in building this kind of app. So a CRM is basically a customer relations management or a client relations management software. It's a software that you can import your customers or people that you're selling to and help track those contacts, the people that you're selling to, the leads in this software so that you can keep track of who's who, know who to contact, and make sure that you don't lose any of your customers. So there's plenty of apps out there that do this kind of service, but many times it may not be custom to your specific business needs, or you're looking for a feature that none of the softwares out there have, and so that's why you're looking to build a custom version. There's two main points that I wanted to highlight if you're looking to build a custom CRM app or software for your business. The first thing is you may be thinking about building an app, but it's also good to look at other tools for feature ideas, especially if they have a feature that you think can be improved for your business. So there's a tool or an app that you're currently using. You're already using this software, but this feature is okay, but you think that it could be better or you think that it could be tailored more custom to your business. You want to note that down and write that down so that when you're communicating with a developer, you say, okay, you see this feature on this service is pretty good, but I think we could make some changes to make it more custom to my business. So that way the developer knows more about how, okay, this is features like this, but they can see how it connects to your business. So looking at other tools, looking at current tools that you're using for feature ideas is a great thing to keep in mind. Something else you also want to keep in mind is to think about how your business could use this tool. Are you going to be using this tool with other people? Is it just for yourself? What kind of things are you going to need in this software? What kind of features are you going to need? With a CRM, most likely the basic features of a CRM, you're going to put in or create new customers. You want to be able to show all your customers. You might want to filter customers based on specific categories. Of course, you want to edit the customers as time goes on and delete customers. So those are just some of the basic features that you want to do. You might also want to have some type of admin page where you can manage all of this. If you have more than one person on the app, you might have an admin who can control the customers. You might have another person who can just look at them. So there's a whole bunch of different features and things that you want to look at when you want how to build a CRM app. But those are just two that I wanted to highlight. Looking at other softwares, looking at previous softwares that you're using or ideas, as well as thinking about how your business is actually going to use this tool. So if you're thinking of building a custom software, you want to ask some questions, never done this before, you just want to bounce some ideas off, you can come to our website, zqdo.info. And there we have our services here, we have our previous work, but you can send us an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com, and I'll try my very best to answer to the best of my ability. But here's our website, zqdo.info. And yeah, I hope this video was able to help you see how, if you're looking to build a custom CRM software, some of the things to think about to help you get started.